Hello everyone. Let me teach you how to add fractions using models today. Suppose if I have a question, if you're asked to add add 1 over 4 and 2 over 3 using models. Today I'll use rectangular model and counters to determine the answer for this sum we have here. In order to find the sum of these two fractions, in order to find the sum, I'm going to use a rectangular grid like this. So rectangular grid is a rectangular box and this is incomplete box for now. In order to complete this, we need to first of all go and then look at the first denominator. My first denominator is 4. Therefore, first of all, I'm going to divide this box into 4 parts. For now, I'm dividing into 4 columns, 4 parts. After this, go and check your second denominator. Second denominator is 3. Since I already divided this box into 4 columns, now I'm going to divide this box into rows. Since I have 3 here, I'll divide the box into 3 rows. Now we have a grid. It's a complete grid, and inside this grid, inside this box, we have four boxes in each row, and in total we have 12 smaller boxes. 12 smaller boxes. After this, we are going to check at the numerator. What is the numerator? Numerator is 1. When I say 1, I'm talking about the number of columns out of total columns we have. I have 4 columns here. 1, 2, 3, 4. From these 4 columns, I need to use one of the columns to place my counters. I'm going to place counters in this first column. After this, I'll check what we have as a numerator for the second fraction. So the numerator out here is 2. And when I say 2 out of 3, we mean to say that we're going to place counters in 2 rows here. And if I place the counters in first row is going to look something like this. And I need to place again counters in second row. And this is how it looks. However, we cannot have 2 counters in a single box. That is why we have a strategy to put this one in a separate box. Since we have 3 empty boxes, I'm going to place this one in this box. I'm going to place my first red counter, this counter in this box, and I'm going to place this in this box. After this, I'm going to erase these red counters from these 2 boxes. Now you just have to count the number of counters we have. The number of counters we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 counters, and total number of boxes is equal to the total number of smaller boxes we have is equal to 12. Therefore, your answer when we add 1 by 1/4 with 2/3 is 11 over 12. So this is how we use rectangular grid and counters to determine the answer when we add two fractions. Thank you everyone.